Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is a Google Chat error 502. So let's get started. So basically, this error occurs on your Gmail. So when you will chat for someone, for example, when you're chatting for someone, it will show the error. For example, you can see for the verification, you can see it's there. If you are chatting like here when you are composing and it show any error at here, it will show. So basically this is a temporary error. As you can see, Google has informed that when you will sign in or an email, it will show like 502. So it's a temporary error. You can wait for some time and it will be fixed. So by this way you can just like see this error, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.